Dive into the world of Bora Bora Quartzite, a natural stone that's captivating architects and interior designers with its unique allure and robustness. Straight from the heart of Brazil, this stone is not just a visual marvel, but a testament to nature's artistry. In the Brazilian state of Bahia, Bora Bora Quartzite emerges from the depths of the earth. Forged from sandstone under intense heat and pressure over eons, it transforms into a stone of remarkable texture and resilience. The metamorphic journey endows it with a distinctive blend of quartz, feldspar, mica, and clay, creating a canvas of natural beauty. Bora Bora Quartzite is a symphony of white, gray, and black, with veining that tells the tale of its geological past. Its surface, a juxtaposition of smoothness and ruggedness, offers versatility in design while boasting a Mohs hardness rating of 6. This makes it an ideal candidate for areas that demand durability and elegance. The stone's versatility shines in its applications. From kitchen countertops to bathroom floors, Bora Bora Quartzite withstands the rigors of daily use while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. It's not just confined to the indoors. Its frost-resistant nature makes it perfect for outdoor landscaping, creating enchanting patios and pool decks. Caring for Bora Bora Quartzite is straightforward. Shun abrasive cleaners in favor of mild detergents and warm water. Consider sealing the stone to enhance its stain resistance. Remember, while it's heat-resistant, it's wise to shield it from extreme temperatures to preserve its pristine condition. When compared to marble, granite, or soapstone, Bora Bora Quartzite stands out for its unique veining and less porous surface, making it a more durable and stain-resistant option. It's not just a stone, it's a statement of luxury and longevity. In conclusion, Bora Bora Quartzite is not just a stone, it's an investment in timeless beauty and enduring strength. Whether gracing your home or a grand hotel lobby, it promises to be a centerpiece of conversation and admiration for years to come. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.